everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove an ID from Instagram Reels. Accidentally tagged someone in a reel or want to remove your own Instagram ID. In this video, I'll show you how to remove an Instagram ID from a reel easily. The first method is to remove your tag from a reel. Now, if someone tagged you in a reel, go to the reel posts and tap your username and select remove from this post. It's very easy and very simple. Now the second method is to remove someone else's tag from your reel. Now if you tag someone in your reel, just open your reel and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right here and select edit. Now here click on tag people. Then select the username you want to remove. As you can see, I didn't tag anyone, but if you tag someone, it will be displayed here. And now after you see the account you want to delete, tap on it and click on delete to remove it and save the changes. The third method is to delete and re-upload without tags. If the edit option is missing, delete the reel and re-upload it without tagging anyone. As for the fourth and final method, ask the reel creator to remove you. If someone else has tagged you in a reel and you can't remove yourself, just ask them to untag you. And that's it. Now you know how to remove an ID from Instagram Reels. Use these steps to manage your tags and privacy easily. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.